Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video from Hacksoft. And if you're new here, I'm really glad you found us because today we're diving deep into one of the most secretive and misunderstood corners of the internet, the dark web. But before we jump in, a quick disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. We're not promoting illegal activity in any way. All right, let's start with the basics. A lot of people think of the internet as just what they see on Google or social media. But in reality, the internet is like an iceberg. There are 3 layers, and we're only seeing the very tip. At the top, we have the surface web. This is the part of the internet that's indexed by search engines. Websites like YouTube, Wikipedia, Amazon, Reddit, news articles, blogs. Basically anything you can access through a normal browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Believe it or not, this only makes up about 5% of the entire internet. Then below that is the deep web. And no, it's not the same as the dark web. The deep web includes content that isn't indexed by search engines. We're talking about private databases, medical records, academic journals, online banking, cloud storage, membership-only sites, anything that needs a login or special access. It's perfectly legal, it's just not public. And finally, we reach the third layer, the dark web. This is the hidden corner of the internet that requires special software to access, like the Tor browser. When you use Tor, your connection gets routed through multiple nodes around the world, helping you stay anonymous. Now, why does the dark web even exist? Well, not everything on the dark web is illegal. There are legitimate uses. Whistleblowers use it to report corruption. Journalists use it to communicate safely with sources. Activists use it in countries where free speech is limited. But let's be honest, there's a dark side too. The dark web is home to illegal marketplaces, illegal drugs and narcotics, weapons and firearms trade, fake ID shops, data dumps, and much more. It's not the kind of place you just want to go browsing casually. One wrong click, and you could be exposing yourself to malware, scams, or even government surveillance. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to access the dark web safely using the right tools and how to protect yourself in the process. All right, let's walk through the full setup step by step. Step 1. Set up a secure environment. Before anything else, don't use your main operating system. Don't even use your main IP address. The best practice? Use a virtual machine like VirtualBox and run a Linux-based OS. I recommend Tails OS or Whonix. Both are privacy-focused and route everything through Tor by default. Install VirtualBox, then download Tails or Whonix and run them inside the VM. This gives you a clean sandbox environment isolated from your real system. Step 2. Use a VPN. Even though Tor anonymizes your traffic, using a VPN adds an extra layer of protection. Think of it like a tunnel inside a tunnel. Pick a reliable, no-log VPN. Some of the popular ones are Proton VPN, Mullvad, and NordVPN. Make sure the VPN is connected before you launch your virtual machine, so your IP address is hidden at all times. Step 3. Download and install the Tor browser. If you're using Tails or Whonix, Tor is already included. If you're on a regular Windows machine for learning purposes, go to torproject.org and download the official Tor browser. Don't download Tor from anywhere else. Only trust the official website. But since you're on Kali Linux, I'm making a detailed video on how to install Tor on Kali Linux. You can watch that on my channel. Now that everything is set up, let's move on to accessing the dark web. Right now, I'm using Kali Linux in a virtual machine for learning purposes. However, for better safety and anonymity, I highly recommend using Tails OS or Whonix OS. So let's begin. In Kali Linux, use this command to open Tor Browser Launcher. Now we'll make some security adjustments. Go to Tor Browser Settings. Open the Privacy and Security tab. Scroll down and set the security level to Safest. Click Save and restart the browser. Then again, go to Privacy and Security Settings, scroll down and check these boxes. Block dangerous and deceptive content and block dangerous downloads. Now the security setup is complete. Let's move ahead. Search for Hidden Wiki on DuckDuckGo. Friends, Tor can be a bit slow because we're using it through a VPN. Click on the first link, usually something like thehiddenwiki.com. Here, you'll see a variety of categorized .onion links. Some of them may lead to illegal sites on the dark web. You can now click on any onion link from this page to explore other parts of the dark web. This video is for educational purposes only. Never engage in anything illegal. Tor is a powerful tool, but it's just one layer. Real privacy comes from combining Tor with good habits, tools, and awareness. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Hacksoft for more real-world cybersecurity tutorials, privacy tips, and ethical hacking content. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay anonymous, stay smart.